easiest DIY you have to try. It's giving fluffy under $1, and all you need is the common braid, and you won't even use the whole bunch. Tie your rope or your yarn on your neck or any place that can hold. I used my neck because I wanted full control of this video. Then partition the braid into sections and attach them onto this rope or yarn just the way I'm doing. Just follow my lead. I saw this style somewhere and I have to try this. Like, you have to try this. Use any braid color of your choice. For me, I just used this because I didn't have the color I wanted, but for the sake of this video, I just used whatever I had. Then we're going to braid down. Don't worry if you don't know how to braid, just follow what I'm going to show you. Just follow my lead. Thank you for the subscribers I have. Let's get to 200 subscribers. One day we'll be saying 200k, but right now we don't have the K, we only have 200, so let's get there. Okay, just braid your braid the way I'm doing, one by one, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have so many DIY for you, so make sure you hit that notification bell. Braid one by one. And don't forget to tie down there. Okay, after that we're going to remove from our neck and then put it in hot water. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, squeeze in your towel and then unbraid. After unbraiding all the braids, take your biggest comb, bigger than even this one I have, and then comb through. Reason why we're using a bigger comb is to retain the curl. Then see how fluffy it looks. Now let's attach it effortlessly onto our hair. Just tie how I'm going to tie, okay? Or just do anything so it gets attached. They won't know. Then partition a small section, wrap around just to hide some stuff going on there. Make sure you try this style. It's simple and very, very beautiful. That's it. Hey baby, if you want to know how to apply makeup or the eyeshadow, just make sure to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for reaching this part. Okay, I'm going to see